Hey guys, it's Gabe the Cuber, and I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, you have to learn what's the sides. So, this is to my side. To my side, this is the right. This is left. This is called face, F, up, U, down, D. Okay, and there's also something called invert. That means counterclockwise. For example, if I say RU, that means right, regular way, going clockwise, and U, that means up, regular way. If I say RI, it means R counterclockwise and U counterclockwise. So let's start. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a green cross or any color cross because the middles don't move. So I choose green. It's the easiest for me. So to get that, you have to find the colors. So I found one, green and orange, and I flip it around because see how it's green, orange. And so you just do it to the whole side to get the green cross. So we got two right there. Okay, you might have this situation where you want to flip these two. See them? How this is white and this is green. You want to flip it because it won't match. So for that, you want to do is face right inverted, wait, sorry about that. Yeah, face right inverted, down inverted, right, and flip it around, and you just switch them. Do you see the difference? Now for the last one, to get it, oh, same thing here. On flip it, face right inverted, down inverted, right, flip it around. Okay, so congratulations, you solved your green cross, part 2. Now you want to get the corners. Okay, continuing. Now, we want to get the corners. So you have to look for a corner. That means these are corners. This, and these. That have a green. For example, I found right here. It's green, orange, and white. So I ignore the green because we know green is on top. And I look for orange and white. The middle, the center piece is orange and white. That's white. And right next to it's orange. So I place it right above. I place it down below my right thumb. And just like that. It's right there. And these are just orange, green, orange, and white. And this is the piece that we want to get. And you have to do this algorithm. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And you just do that process until it gets right. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Okay, so you just got that piece. Now you just do the same to the others. So white and red, right and red. So you want to do the same thing. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right. Okay, so you just do the same thing. And sometimes the pieces are stuck up there, so you just keep it doing the exact same algorithm and it'll work. So orange and yellow I have orange and yellow, orange and yellow. Just keep it doing the algorithm. And okay, now, okay, congratulations, you just got your corners, you got one side, part 3. Okay, now part 3. You want to get the middle edges. So we just completed the green side. So we're just going to want to flip it over. Now you want to get the middle edges, which are these pieces. Like this is the bottom, this is the edge, these are the edges. We want to get these edges, the middle ones. So what you want to do is, you're going to look on top for all the edge pieces, which is across, that have no blue on it. For example, this has a blue, this has a blue. These two don't have a blue. So we're going to choose any one, and for example, taking this one, the red one, and you match it up with the red one, like that. And if you want to get the cube to the right side, well, in this case, we're going to get to the left side. If you want to get the cube to the right side, then you leave it how it is. This is your face. But if you want to get to the left side, you're going to have to turn it, and this is going to be your face. So, and now this is what you're going to do. Up inverted, up, face, up, right, up inverted, and then right inverted. And you just got that piece there. Now I want to do the same to the other pieces. So match it up with the orange. In this case, I want to take it to this side. So I'm going to leave it on this side, and I'm going to do this algorithm. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, face inverted, up, face. So now you got this piece also in there. Now you want to get the last piece, which is this piece right now. So you match it up with the yellow, and in this case we want to put this here. So we do the exact same algorithm we just did. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up, inverted, face inverted, up, and then face. See, and the green is still there. We have one more piece, but this situation, there's nowhere, all the pieces are blue, as you can see. So we take this piece, and we're just going to do any algorithm to get that piece out. So imagine you already have the piece. So I'm just going to do the algorithm. Okay, now it's out. To match up with the red, and this is going to be your face, so just going to leave it where the red is, and you're going to do this algorithm as the previous we did 3 times in a row. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, face inverted, up, face. And congratulations, you just finished third part. You got all the edges, and yep, that's it. Alright, hey, it's part 4 now. So now what we want to do is we want to get a blue cross on top without destroying the green and the edges around. So to do that, there's 3 positions. There's one when there's just a blue there, none around. There's one whenever there is a line, or any other ones but a line. And there's one whenever there is like this. I don't know, it's like a L, but like an opposite L on the top. It's like to your direction, it's like this. And any other color. So whenever you see, like for example, I have a line. So when you have a blue square in the middle, then you just do this algorithm, and then you're gonna get to the L, then you just do it again, and then you're gonna get to the line, and then you're gonna do it again. You'll get your blue cross. So I'm ready because mine turned out to be like this. So the algorithm for this. Hold it to any side and face, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, face inverted. And congratulations, you just got your blue cross, as you can see. Yep. Okay, now that you solved your blue cross, you want to match these edges. This with the same color. See, these are not matching. This is not matching. This is matching. This is matching. So in some situations you might have, so you're gonna keep on turning. You want to keep on turning the top layer until two of them match. So some cases you might get that this is gonna match, and then the exact opposite is gonna match. And in some cases you're gonna get this is gonna match, and the right next door. So if it's matched this to like the opposite, then you just hold it on one that doesn't have, and you're gonna do the algorithm when I'm gonna tell you. And if it's on on the neighbor, then you hold one of the correct sides to your right side and one of them to your back. That means the one that's not solved, the correct edge to your front and to your left. So I mean, the solved one is in your back and the other solved one is in your right, and you're gonna hold this as your face. So this is what you're gonna do. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, up, and then right inverted. So as you can see, I did 2 times up in the last step. So and now what you do is just turn it one time and they're all correct. See how they're all matching now. So now what you want to do is get your corner pieces. So congratulations for your for your edges, sorry. Okay, now we're up to the corners. So you want to look for a corner that have the right pieces. Like for example, blue. Like let's say this corner piece, it has yellow, red, and blue. You have blue there, you have red there, but we don't have yellow. So we just look for one that's correct in the correct place. So this is not because there's no white. This is not because there's no yellow. This is not because there's no white or there's no yellow. So you might come to a case where there's no correct corner pieces in the place. So what you do is you just do this algorithm, and then you do it whenever you have the corner. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right, right inverted I mean, and then up inverted, and then left inverted, and you just look for one that's correct. So here I found one's correct. Like it doesn't have to be correct, it has to have the same colors as what the centerpieces are. And you place it above your right thumb, and then you just do that same algorithm, which is up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, and then up inverted, and then left. Okay, now you see how sometimes these are corrected. So what you do is you look at a piece that it is in the right place, like, so these are correct. So you just choose, see how these just two missing ones, so you on this, and you do this algorithm, right inverted, right, down, and just do that until it gets correct. Right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down. And then you keep on the same page, just flip the top until the one that's not correct comes to your right above your right thumb. And so in my case you do it 2 times, and you just do it again. Right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down. And you just flip these 2 times, and congratulations, you just solved the Rubik's Cube. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and Please subscribe and add a comment below. Peace.